Hey everybody! So we are here again with another Saturday Scribbles. And in this Saturday Scribbles, everything is going to be very sketchy. I will be showing you some rough, simple poses that you can try with your character drawings. And these are just meant to be kind of warm-up exercises to the bigger drawing or more complete drawing that you're going to do. Or you can just think of this as a daily or every now and again warm-up exercise routine for your drawing techniques. It's important to practice as much as you can to figure out how your characters will be able to move, like where their joints would be, or just in general how their bodies work. And it takes a lot of time and effort to figure out if you want a character that's all your own. It takes a lot of time and effort to figure out how their body will work. I recommend looking up as many videos as you can, as many references as you can, to figure out your character's movements, body type. Like, is it going to be kind of a chibi, like these characters are that I'm drawing, or are they going to be more realistic looking? But I will say the nice thing about practicing with this kind of chibi type drawing, I'm sorry if you can hear my cats, as always, is that you can take away a lot of the focus that you might normally put if you are trying to draw a realistic looking character. And you can put more focus into just the basics of what the pose will look like. And so that's nice. So the three poses that I'll show you today, you saw the first one, and it's just the basic standing. And then there's a lying down pose, which I'm finishing up now. And then there is a flying pose, like a superhero pose, just because it's really fun to do. And it's tricky. I still haven't mastered it, which is kind of why I wanted to show it in this video, to show that it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just getting an idea across. And it's about just exercising, as I said, just like you would practice for a sport as often as you can. So too, you should practice drawing if it's something that you want to be better at. Now, of course, if you're just doing this as a way to relax, then it's even better. Even less pressure on you because you're just doing it for the moment. And these are really relaxing, and you can draw yourself or somebody that you know in funny poses, and it just takes you out of whatever stressful moment you're in and puts you in a happier one, I think. I highly recommend, by the way, don't worry about what the facial expressions will look like, because it will slow you down. So just have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. See you next week.